Are you getting the message? Location access is needed to show weather near you when in standby mode? No worries, I'm here to help. In today's video, I'll guide you through some simple steps to help fix the issue. Let's jump straight into the solution. Solution 1. Enable location services for the weather app. First, open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap Location Services. Now find and tap Weather. After that, select either while using the app or always. Solution 2. Update your iPhone. First, open Settings, then tap General. After that, tap Software. Now, if an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, check if the issue is fixed. If there's no update available, then just restart your iPhone and check if that helped with the issue. Solution 3. Reset location and privacy settings. Start by opening Settings, then scroll down and tap General. After that, scroll down again and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset and select Reset Location and Privacy. Finally, confirm by tapping Reset Settings. After that, the issue should be gone. And that's it. Those are the steps to fix the location access is needed to show weather near you or in standby mode on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.